What's up guys, it's Sneaker Rehab. So today's video I got a little install for you guys. It's going to be a quick overview. It's a carbon fiber steering wheel from Burnz Auto. Special shout out to my girlfriend who got it for me. I've been eyeing it for a long time. I just didn't pull the trigger, but then she got it for me for Christmas, so I'm pretty excited about it. It's really dope. So it's all carbon fiber, white little stripe on top to match the interior of my 50th anniversary Wrx, because it has the white stitching on the seats, and it also has the white seat belts, so it's going to look really good. I got a few other parts too. I'm not doing a lot of stuff this winter just because I'm really happy with the way the car looks now. A couple minor subtle adjustments I'm going to do to the car, but yeah, for now, let's get into the steering wheel. Alrighty, this is how it's installed. It looks really good. Love this steering wheel. So next up, I have my carbon trim and my AC covers to install next. And yeah, let's get into that. There we go, all done. So it looks really dope. I do like this. The carbon is nice, and it just looks really good compared with the wheel and with the shift trim. So yeah, it definitely looks badass. They have a little like carbon piece that comes out here, but I don't know, we'll see about that one. But yeah, it definitely looks good. So now we got the, oh, I'm sorry. Sometimes this thing's a little, there we go. Got that. Looking dope. Then we got this. Fire. Then the wheel. Beautiful. Alright, let's get to those action shots.